Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. You are studying also. So now I want to discuss mental math problems. So before going to start, I'm telling one important thing that those who are doing work properly, you should send the work, and those who are not doing, you should be serious about studies. Okay? So you should do your work properly. That is good for you only. Clear? If any problem, please you should take help from the teachers. Not only that maths, other subjects also you can take help from the teachers. Either through message, through WhatsApp or through phone call also. Okay students, so now we'll discuss mental math exercise 25. So yesterday we discussed exercise 24. I hope you did the work, and few students are sending the work but other students they are not doing the work, not sending the work. So for them only we are requesting that please do the work properly. If any problem, any doubt, so you can ask me or any other teachers also. Clear? So now let's start. So see, question number 1. There are 960 minutes in dash hours. There are 960 minutes in dash hours. So at first you take out your copies at first. Okay. So you should do it at first. You try yourself. After that you will see the solution. Okay. And Rabor you will do in the right hand side. Clear? And you should read the question thoroughly or properly because the answer is there in the question. So that's why. Clear? Okay, see the question. There are 60 minutes, 960 minutes in dash hours. So we know that what? We know that 1 hour equal to what? 60 minutes or not? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Clear? So now we convert into minute to hour. So hour to, suppose 2 hours equal to dash, 2 hours equal to 2 into 60 minutes. 3 hours equal to 3 into 60 minutes. 4 hours equal to 4 into 60 minutes. That means we'll do multiplication. When we'll convert hour to minute, we'll do multiplication by 60. But when we'll do that minute to hour, that time we'll do what? Division by 60. Division by 60. Okay. So here given what? 960. 960. So 960 divided by 60 because we convert into hours. That's why. Okay. So we'll do directly, we can do, otherwise we'll do division also, we can do it. Okay, directly means how will add this one? 960 divided by 60. Clear? That one also we can do it, otherwise the normal division also you know that one also you can do it. Clear? So here see 960 here in denominator 60 is there, so this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled. Okay, now cancel it. 96 divided by 6. So 6 1 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6. Okay, here 3 remainder, 3 and 6 36, 6 6 ja 36. Otherwise 16 table also we know that 16 6 ja 96. So that's why here will come what? 16 hours. 16 hours equal to what? 960 minutes. Okay, 16 hours equal to 960 minutes. So 16 hours equal to dash minutes. If we say that 16 hours equal to dash minutes, so 16 into 60. Hour to minute means we'll do multiplication by 60. That's why 16 into 60. So we'll get what? 16 6 is 96 and 1 0. That means 960 minutes. Understood? Clear or not? You are doing? You should try also. Okay. And let's see the videos and you should try it. Okay. Even if problem, you can ask me through message also, through comment box also. Clear? Okay. Now see question number 2. How many times 900 in 9000? How many times 900 in 9000? মানে কি যে 900 টা কতবার হলে 9000 হবে? তো আমরা জানি না, এই ধরনের প্রবলেম আমরা গতকাল আমরা একটা করেছিলাম। সো হাউ টু ডু, হোয়াট টু ডু, কি করে করব তাহলে? ফর দিস পারপাস অনলি উইল ডু ডিভিশন। যে হাউ মেনি ধরনের যে কোশ্চেনগুলো আমাদের ছিল সেগুলো আমরা কি করেছিলাম কালকে? বলেছিলাম কি ডিভিশন করতে হবে। সেম ওয়ে হিয়ার অলসো হাউ মেনি টাইমস 900 in 9000, তাহলে কি করব 9000 divided by 900, 9000 divided by 900. Okay, so here 0 will be cancelled, and 9 10 are 90, 9 10 are 90, so only 10 will come. That means how many times 900, 10 times যদি 900 আমরা মাল্টিপ্লাই করি তাহলে কি আসবে, মানে 10 কে যদি আমরা মাল্টিপ্লাই করি 900 কে তাহলে কত আসবে, 9000 আসবে। clear or not? Understood? Otherwise normal division also you can do it, 900 and here 9000, that one also you can do it, 900 1 jar 900. Okay, and here 10 we'll put it here 01 and here 10. Clear? So that means the 10 will come, either this division or otherwise this way also we can do it. Clear? One or two questions clear? I hope you understood. Okay, next question, see, multiply 11 by itself. Okay, multiply 11 by itself means 11 into 11. Multiply 12 by itself means 12 by 12, like that. মানে নিজেকে দিয়ে গুণ করতে হবে, 11 কে 11 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে, এই বলতে চাইছি। ওকে, সো 11 কে যদি 11 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করি তাহলে কি হবে, 11 into 11 কত হয়, 121. ওকে, 11 into 11 how many, 121. Clear? Otherwise you will do the multiplication also, you can do it in right hand side. Okay, next is telling that and add double of 111 and add, এবং কি করতে বলেছে, অ্যাড করতে বলেছে, কার সঙ্গে অ্যাড করতে বলেছে, and add double of 111, 111 এর সঙ্গে কি করতে বলেছে, 111 এর ডাবলের সঙ্গে অ্যাড করতে বলেছে। 111 এর ডাবল কি হবে, 111 এর ডাবল কি হবে, ডাবল মানে 2 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে, 2 2 2 222. Clear? Double of 111 means what, double of 111 means 111 multiplied by 2 will get what, 222. Clear or not? 222. Now this 222 and this 121 will do addition. Okay, we'll do addition because here is telling and add it. Okay, in the question is telling or not, in the question is here is telling add it, so that's why we will do addition. So after addition we will get what, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 2 4 and 2 plus 1 3, that means 343. Okay, 343. So answer will be here what, 343. Question clear? Sorry, not here, sorry. Just a minute. Okay, we'll write it here. Just a minute. Okay, so here will come what, 343. Okay, so again I am telling that what is the question was there, multiply 11 by itself. 11 by itself means what, 11 by itself means 11 into 11 we will get what, 121. 11 into 11 121 and add এই 121 কে অ্যাড করতে হবে, কার সঙ্গে অ্যাড করতে হবে বলেছে, ডাবল অফ 111, 111 ডাবল কত, 222, তাহলে 222 এর সঙ্গে 121 অ্যাড করতে হবে, means 343. Clear? Okay, next see, next question, 9 sets of, question number 4, 9 sets of 12. 9 sets of 12 means what, 12 into 9, 12 into 9, 12 means what, 12 means 108, 108, 9 2 is 18, 8 1 carry and 9 1 is 9 plus 1 10, 108, 12 means 108, and again telling 12 set of 9, 9 sets of 12, 9 sets of 12 means what? 12 into 9, and again is telling 12 sets of 9, 12 sets of 9 means same, 12 sets of 9, 12 into 9, 12 into 9, again 108. So this one, these two things will do addition. So 108 plus 108, what will come? 108 plus 108, what will come? 216. Clear or not? 216. So 216 will come. Clear? Easy or not? At first see 9 sets of 12 means 12 into 9, 108. We are getting 108, and again plus 12 sets of 9, 12 sets of 9 means again 12 into 9, 108. So 108 plus 108, 216. Clear? Okay. Next question. Read the question at first. Okay. Read the question. Important question is there. Question number 5 is important question. Okay, this is important question. Cost of 8 pence at rupees 145 paisa is equal to rupees dash. Cost of 8 pence at rupees 145 paisa is মানে কি? মানে বলছে যে 8টা পেনের দাম হচ্ছে যে 145 পয়সা, 145 পয়সা। ঠিক আছে? তাহলে 8টা পেনের না, এখানে ইজ কথাটাও ঢুকিয়েছে। দেখো ইজ কথাটা ঢুকিয়েছে এখানে। ইজ মানে একটা দাম, ইজ মানে প্রত্যেকটার দাম। একটা দাম হচ্ছে কটা? 145 পয়সা। মানে এটাই কি যে একটা পেনের কস্ট কত? 145 পয়সা। কোশ্চেন ইজ টেলিং লাইক দ্যাট 1 pence ইকুয়াল টু কত? 145 পয়সা। তাহলে সে কটা পেন কিনেছে? 8টা পেন কিনেছে। তাহলে 8টার দাম কি হবে? একটার দাম যদি 145 হয় তাহলে 8টার দাম কি হবে? 8 পেন্সের দাম কি হবে? তাহলে উইল বি ইনক্রিজড, বেড়ে যাবে। বেড়ে যাওয়া মানে কি করতে হবে? তাহলে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে। দুটো পেনের দাম যদি বলে তাহলে 145 ইনটু 2, তিনটে পেনের যদি দাম বলে তাহলে কি হবে? 145 ইনটু 3, চারটে বলে 145 ইনটু 4, লাইক দ্যাট। সো 8টা পেনের যদি বলে, যদি 8টা পেনের কস্ট তাহলে কি হবে? 8 পেন যদি আমাকে বলে তাহলে কত হবে? 145 into 8. Okay, 145 into 8. Do multiplication. 8 5 is 40, 0. Okay, 8 5 is 40. This one 0, 0 4 carry. 8 4 is 32. 8 4 32. 32 plus 4 36. 6 3 carry. 3 carry. And 8 was 8. 8 plus 3 11. There. Again I am telling that. See, 8 5 is 40. 40 0 4 carry. 8 4 is 32, 32 plus 4 36, 6 3 carry, 8 1 is 8 plus 3 11, 1160 paisa, 1160 paisa। এই 1160 পয়সাকে আমাদের আনসার কিসে বার করতে বলেছে? পয়সাতে বার করতে বলেনি, আমাদেরকে লিখতে হবে, আনসার কি লিখতে হবে? রুপিস ড্যাশ। তো 1160 পয়সা, 1160 পয়সা ইকুয়াল টু রুপিস ড্যাশ। পয়সা থেকে রুপিসে কনভার্ট করতে হলে কি করতে হবে? ডিভাইডেড বাই 100, ডিভাইডেড বাই 100, 100 তে ডিভাইড করতে হবে। আর 100 তে ডিভাইড করা মানে কি? হ্যাঁ, অলরেডি ডিসকাসড। কি করে আমরা ডিসকাস করেছিলাম, এক্সপ্লেন করেছিলাম যে হিয়ার ডিনোমিনেটর 2 zeros, 2 zeros, যেহেতু দুটো জিরো আছে তাহলে পয়েন্টটা কি হবে? পয়েন্টটা রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইড থেকে দুটো জিরো পরে আসবে, মিন্স আফটার 6 পয়েন্ট উইল কাম, আফটার 6 পয়েন্ট উইল কাম, দ্যাট মিন্স 11.60। তাহলে आंसर কি হবে? 11.60, 11.60 মানে কি যে 11 rupees 60 paisa। তাহলে 8টা পেনের দাম কত? 11 rupees 60 paisa। Clear? Understood or not? Try to understand, otherwise again I will explain. If any problem you can ask me. Okay, okay. Now question number 6. See, question number 6. 1 meter 10 centimeter plus 50 centimeter equal to dash. Question number 6. See, read the question. 1 meter 10 centimeter. At first write 1 meter and 10 centimeter. 1 meter means we know that what? 1 meter equal to what? 100 centimeter. We know that. That one we know that. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Clear or not? Okay. So 1 meter 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter will be added. This one will be add. Clear or not? This one also centimeter. So we'll get what? So 1 meter 10 centimeter equal to total what? total we get 110 centimeter. Up to this one, clear or not? See, 1 meter means what? 1 meter means 100 centimeter, and another 10 centimeter told, so that one will be red, means 100 plus 10, 110. Clear? 110 centimeter. Okay, so 110 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. See questions here. Here again telling you plus 50 centimeter. Added this one plus 50 centimeter. So this one added. So we'll get what? 160 centimeter. Understood not? 1 meter means what? You say 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 100 plus 10 what? 100 plus 10 means 110 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. So 110 plus 50 centimeter, 160 centimeter. 160 centimeter. Clear? This is the answer. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Next, see, very easy question. At first, try yourself this one. Question number 7. Question number 7 do. Place value of 8 in 4842 equal to dash. Place value, you know that. Place value, face value, you know that, I think. Okay. So place value of 8. See. Try yourself, everyone. So which one unit place here? This one unit place or ones place. This one tens place. This one 100 place. And this one 1000 place. So 8 which place? 8 in 100 place. Okay. 8 in the 100 place. So answer will be 8. And after 8, how many zeros? 2 digits. That means 2 zeros. Since place value, এটা place value চাইছে, তাহলে place value বার করতে কি করতে হবে? 8 লিখলাম. After that, after 8, how many digits are there? 2 digits. It means 2 0. That means answer will be 800. Clear? That is the place value of 8. Clear? আর যদি বলতো face value, 8 এর face value কত হবে? 8 এর face value means only 8. Place আর face. Place value মানে কোন প্লেসে আছে? 100 প্লেসে আছে সেই জন্য 800. আর face value মানে কি? যে ওটাই নিজে, ওর ফেসটা কি? ওর ফেসটা only 8. Clear? Okay. Now see question number 8. Question number 8. Important question. 25 less 100. 25 tens less 100. 25 tens means what? 25 tens means 25 tens means what? 250. Clear or not? Less 100. Less 100 means minus 100. So we'll get what? Do subtraction 150. Clear? 25 tens means 150. Less 100. Less 100 means minus 100. That means we are getting what? We are getting 150. Clear? Are you understanding or not, everyone? Okay, try to understand. Clear? Okay. Now see question number 9. Question number 9 is telling that quarter of, important question, important, very important, quarter of an hour equal to dash minutes. I hope this type of problem yesterday discussed. The quarter of an hour equal to dash minutes. Quarter of an hour. So see, hour given in the question, hour given, we convert into minutes. Hour to minutes. তাহলে hour থেকে minute convert করতে হবে কি করতে হবে? We know that 1 hour equal to dash, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Clear or not? Clear? So এই 60 minutes এর quarter কি হবে? Quarter means আমরা কি করে বার করেছিলাম? Yesterday I told you this quarter means that one will be, that value or that things will be divided by 4. যেটা দেওয়া থাকবে ওটাকে আমরা কি করতে হবে? 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করলে আমরা কি করব? আমরা পেয়ে যাব। ক্লিয়ার? 60 কে আমাদের 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে হবে, ডিভাইড করলেই আমরা आंसर পেয়ে যাব। ক্লিয়ার আর নট? তাহলে 60 divided by 4, we know that the division. So 4 1 ja 4, 2 20, 4 5 ja 20. Okay, so 15. Clear? So that means, so quarter of an hour equal to, that means 15 minutes, equal to 15 minutes. Clear? Clear or not? যদি বলে আমাকে যে quarter of an 2 hours equal to dash minutes, quarter of an 2 hours, so 1 hour equal to what? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. 2 hours equal to what? 60 into 2 minutes. And 60 into 2 means what? 120 minutes. ক্লিয়ার 2 আওয়ার্স ইকুয়াল টু 120 মিনিটস এবার এই 2 আওয়ার্সকে 2 আওয়ার্সে যদি আমাদের কোয়ার্টার চাই তাহলে কি করতে হবে এটাকে 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে হবে 120 divided by 4 what to do division we know that 4 3 is 20 sorry 12 4 3 is 12 0 put it here 0 0 so answer will be 30 so 2 hours quarter of and 2 hour equal to what quarter of 2 hours 2 hour means that will be what 30 minutes clear or not clear okay next question see next question number 10 question number 10 1900 plus 19 ones equal to dash 1900 means we know that write it here 1900 1900 clear and only 19 ones write it here 19 ones next add it so we'll get what here 9 here 1 here 9 here 1 the all digits should be in proper place clear otherwise your addition subtraction that one will be wrong clear so we are getting what 1919 easy clear so write it here 1919 clear I hope you understood okay you should practice it 2 times 3 times you can as much as possible you will practice it okay if any problem you can ask me through message okay so this is your homework this chapter is your homework and that as well as the next chapter that one also you will do at first try yourself নিজে চেষ্টা করো ঠিক আছে না পারলে I will explain next day clear next day I will explain it the next exercise so this is your homework what is your homework exercise 25 as well as exercise 26 this one you will practice it 2-3 times and show me and exercise 26 you should try at first after that you show me otherwise I will explain it okay so that's all take care of yourself bye bye have a nice day